Okay, another video, another air filter replacement, and the same Prius. But, different than this video that I just posted. Today we're replacing a cabin air filter. Very different than the engine air filter. And you guys know how these things go. First things first, the unboxing. What is the product I got? Where did I get it from? All that good stuff. The product today is from EP Auto. It is an interior cabin air filter, part CP846. Really though, the link is in the description. I got it on Amazon. It was $10.97. So open it up, unbox it, and then we'll head to the passenger seat, specifically the glove compartment. Once you've opened the glove compartment, what you're gonna wanna do is press inward on the sides of the glove compartment to disconnect the stops. And you'll feel right after that it's much looser, but there's a third latch on the right side that you'll need to unclip for it to come fully off. And as you'll see, it pretty much just drops right out after that. Once you have that out, you are able to just slide the filter frame out from the housing, and you can remove that old filter from the frame. And as you can see, ours was way past due. I don't even want to know half of what this stuff is in here. It looks like some leaves, something colorful in there. I didn't look too carefully. Kind of shake it out outside, but again, you're not going to need this afterwards. This will go into the trash. Next, and like I mentioned, you get to get rid of this old air filter, take it out, install the new filter into the frame with the airflow arrow pointing up. Make sure it's securely tucked under all the retaining tabs on the top of the frame. And then simple as that, you get to come back to the glove compartment, slide the frame back into the housing and make sure it snaps securely on both sides. Then do the same thing with the glove compartment, make sure it snaps on both sides. And then obviously don't forget that third latch on the right side. I think they called it a dampening arm. That's just the technical name. Double check to make sure the glove compartment works correctly. Yep, there we go. And that's it. And just like that, cabin air filter in a 2008 Toyota Prius replaced. Nothing wrong with mechanics and mechanical shops, the whole automobile industry, you know. Those people are very important for, you know, tearing apart motors and repairing transmissions. But air filters, guys, you can do it yourself. I promise. This is an easy one. If this was helpful, let me know, like it, subscribe, all those things. Until next time, later.